Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sleepy sidekicks that love to hang out with me. They just like to be in the room, but they certainly don't want to have to be put to work. This is Xena, and if you see a white puppy dog who's off camera right now, that's Xena. And we all hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. It really helps me continue to bring you new content. Today, I have a spring transitions haul for you from several different places that I am excited to get into. I believe everything I purchased was on sale or I had some sort of a discount. I don't think I paid full price for anything, so we'll go through all of that. And I kind of paired everything into a full and complete outfit. So each outfit will be 3 pieces plus shoes. So let's get into it. All right. First of all, this first outfit I'm in love with. This is a mixed bag of pieces. I have a LOFT denim skirt on. You know how you're always trying to find that perfect denim skirt, especially for those of us that are a bit more hippie and curvy through the bum and hip area. This skirt you need to grab. It is not one that is going to ride up as you're walking or going up and down stairs. Hallelujah. It is fabulous. So it has a little more room, as you can see, as you go from the hip down, which is the secret sauce, right? To make sure that it's not going to be riding up on you. It did pass the sit test. You can see it goes past my fingertips here. Fits me perfect here in the waist. I bought my normal size, which I'm pretty sure it was a 26, but I'm just going to confirm here. It's a 2. So in this instance, it was a 2. It's called the Denim Shift Skirt in Modern Indigo. I got it on sale for $43.20, as I mentioned, from the LOFT. I love this as a transition as we move into spring, but you could also wear it now with tights if you are chilly, or even high boots until we get into the really warm weather. I have to call out these shoes. I decided to go with a darker pink with this moto jacket. These shoes are amazing. I love a mule before you're ready to start bringing out the toes, but you want to ease into those warmer weather shoes. These are amazing, and I also love them with a skirt because I feel like they elongate the leg a little bit. If in fact you want to do that, if you already have long legs, amazing, no worries. But if you did want to do that, these shoes are amazing. They are by Vince Camuto. I would say they probably have at least a 3.5 inch heel, but they're super comfortable. They're a little bit pointy. I got these at Nordstrom. I had seen them on the EVEREVE site in a neutral, and then I had gone looking elsewhere to see other colors they came from. And when I saw this beautiful raspberry color, I knew I had to have them. And they are called the, let me get the right name for you. And of course, I will always put links down below to everything, but they are the Trexanta. And this is the Wildberry Baby Sheep. So fun, very comfortable. Dress them up, keep them casual, your choice, but a super fun shoe. And I love a mule. I just find them to be so easy to wear. All right, and then this jacket. This jacket is from the LOFT. It is in a faux suede, zippers here at the sleeve. I love how cozy, comfy this is. It feels more like a cardigan than a jacket. I bought my regular size, which I believe was an extra small. Yes, it's an Adobe Rose extra small faux suede moto jacket. The sale price for this was $105.02. And I will put the price for the shoes right down on the screen for you so you know exactly how much these were. But see how this jacket has the zippers here at the pocket. I have lots of room. This came in the extra small. It's so soft and comfy that I feel like if you love this color, it's definitely worth adding to your closet. The fit is amazing. There's the zippers. It feels so great on. I love it with the skirt, but you can certainly wear it over top of a dress. You can wear it with denim or a utility pant or anything. So comfy. And then for the tank, this is from White House Black Market. It's one that I have showed you all before. It's reversible. It's one of the form tanks. I grabbed a white one because I want to make sure that I have one in my closet. It's always hard for me to find white. So I grabbed one of these. It has the U on one side, the V on the other, and you can switch these around and wear them any way you like. And I got this one. This is an extra small. And it was, oh, am I a mistake? I think, is this one a crew? I think this one is a crew. It's not white, it's a crew. And it was $39.50 and I paid $30.33 for it. Yes, this one is a crew. I was thinking I also wanted a white, but I did not get the white yet. All right, let's get to the next outfit. Okay, so now I have on a full loft outfit. Loving this blazer. I went with I've been doing the 4 petites in all the blazers just to get the arm length right for me. So that's what I did with this one as well. This is a fully lined jacket, which I love. I was looking for I was going to tell you what this was made from. I see it does have the opening in the back, so it has that slit. And I do believe this is a linen blend. So you would have to worry a little bit about wrinkles. But I love the colors in this. So it has this really nice coral plus the tan running through it. And then pretty much like an off-white background. Buttons at the sleeve. Feels very springy. I put it over a coral sweater. And then I did these really nice off-white utility pants. So more of a casual look. How cute are these? They have the pork chop pockets, this nice stitching here across the, right above the knee, and then here at the middle of your leg here at the bottom. Here's what they look like. They do have pockets in the back as well. And then they have them cuffed, but you could also uncuff them here, and they have a nice little funky roll. I'll probably never get back again, but here's what they look like down. So a little bit longer if you needed additional length. See if I can do that funky roll they did. It's like a lopsided funky roll. That was kind of cool. Something like that. Anyway. So the utility pants are a little bit more relaxed. I did purchase them in I'm looking here to confirm, a size 26, which is my normal size. So I did not size down in them, but I like them a little bit more relaxed, and the fact that they're a lighter color. I didn't want them to be too tight across my hip and thighs. So I kind of like this, and I think they feel really good. But here's what they look like in the back. And cuff, the length is really good for me. I'm 5'5" for reference. And then here is the sweater. This is a cute little crew neck sweater with this fun little detail going down the middle, as well as here at the shoulder and on the sleeve. So you wouldn't need the jacket. You could certainly just wear the sweater with the pants as well. Here's what it looks like out in case you don't like the front tuck. And pricing for these. The super soft girlfriend utility jeans, and this color is called Popcorn, I got on sale for $55.56. And then the petite striped linen blend blazer, I got on sale for $98.95. And the Pintel raglan sleeve sweater in warm coral, $43.22. And we'll keep going. All right, now for a neutral outfit. I love neutrals. They're always awesome in the spring. And this one I'm in love with. We'll start from the bottom. So the pants are ones I had seen on the EVEREVE site, and I fell in love with them immediately. They are by Faraday, and they are like a cloud. They feel amazing on. They are a little long for me, but I do not have a super high heel on. These are probably about, what, 2.5 inches, 3 maybe at the most. And keep in mind, again, I'm 5'5" with a 28-inch inseam. But these are such comfy pants. You could dress these up or keep them casual. I bought my normal size, 26-inch waist, size 2. They have pockets here in the front, and then they have pockets in the back. They come in a tan, and they come in this beautiful green color. And I chose the green. And then I paired it with the Biscotti Form tank from White House Black Market. Love this tank. I'll show it to you close up in just a moment. And then the Loft faux leather moto jacket. Again, they have the zips at the sleeves, which I always appreciate because I think it gives you just a little bit more room for your watch or bracelets or just movement in general. So I tend to always open mine up, or at least open them partly. And then it does fit like a regular moto, just like the faux suede one I showed you just a little bit ago. You could close this all the way up or leave it partly open. There's plenty of room, again, in the extra small. Zipper pockets here. And then it has the little partial buckle on the side. I don't think the suede one had, yeah, the suede one did have the buckle as well. So I forgot to call that out. I missed that. So adorable. Here's the front of the pants, a little closer up so you can see these pockets. Fit like a dream, so comfy. And then this moto, here's that detail. This is a faux leather as opposed to the suede one. Love this color in the neutral. Does not have the snaps here to hold this shut, so you might just want to kind of press that down. Sometimes I just lay something heavy on it for a little bit to keep it open, or just zip it up for a little while, and that'll usually hold that down for you. And then the tank, I love these tanks. I bought one of them, the black one I showed you in my last White House Black Market haul. 2 more to show you in this one, with this being the first one. Love this biscotti color. The fit is great. It's really nice if you want to show off your shoulders, which is always, I think, a nice feature. It cuts in just a little bit, crew neck. The color's great. Here's the back. And then it is ribbed. These are longer. I have it tucked in pretty good. It probably comes down to about here when it's out. But here's a closer look. All right, so for these pieces, the faux leather moto jacket in light cool tan, $105.03 was the sale price. I got it for, and they'll have even better sales. I got it early because these are all new in pieces I'm sharing with you from everywhere. So hopefully you can get even better deals as we go along here. The Biscotti White House Black Market Form Rib Tank, $49.50 is the regular price, $38.03 was the discount price. And then for these Faraday pants, I did not bring up my receipt, but I can tell you the regular price for them and then let you know what I paid for them. So let me, here it is, here it is. $168, and these are called the Stretch Terry Wide Leg Pant. $168 is the regular price, and I had a $50 reward, which I used to get off, so I paid $118 for them. And let's do the final outfit. Final outfit. All right, so now let's pop the brights, right? You knew I had to sneak in a really bright pop of color. So now I have on a pair of denim from the Loft. I absolutely love these with that contrast color striping down the side. So it has that darker striping, but it's not too crazy. So I'm loving that. I bought a size down in this pair of denim. So these are a 0 as opposed to a 2, or a 25 waist as opposed to a 26. These do hit me right at the top of my foot. They're a straight leg. And I paired it with another of the form tanks. This is exactly like the biscotti, only it's in this bright, I don't know, what do you call this? A cherry color. Let's see what they're calling it. They're calling it azalea. So that's what we'll call it, azalea. And then I got this amazing blazer that I put over top of it. This is a relaxed blazer. It hangs open. It does not have any closures on it. It does have flat pockets here in the front. It is fully lined. And it feels so amazing on. It's very soft. I bought an extra small, which is my regular size. It covers the entire tushy. It does come in other colors. And it feels amazing on. I love it. Let's see this color closer up. The sun's going to come out now. For just a moment, the sun's been in and out all day. I love this jacket so much. It'd be great over top of a white tee, a graphic, but a blouse as well, and wear it, or a dress, wear it over a dress. It'd be amazing. This one does not have an opening in the back, right? No, yeah. Love it. And then, of course, the form tank again. So exactly like the biscotti. You can see that ribbing going through it. Really, really love this, all of the form tanks. I just love them. So this white one that I showed you in the very beginning was also one of the form. So this is the difference between that really nice silky material versus the ribbed version. And that is all of my pieces. Let's talk pricing and then we can wrap and you can let me know what you thought. So the tank is the same price as the biscotti one. So $49.50 was the regular price. I got it for $38.03. And then this azalea relaxed blazer, this is a size 2, my normal size. $185 was the regular price. I got it for $142.11. And then for the side stripe high rise straight jean from the Loft, $55.58 was my sale price. I do like the Loft denim. You can usually get them for under $50. Depends on which sale you're grabbing. I try to always wait for a 40% off. I think this one was 30% off and I had an extra 10%. So what is that? Probably around, I don't know, 35% instead. But there's always different sales going on. So watch out for them. And yeah, have some fun. I will list all of these items down below for you in case you would like to check any of them out for yourself. I hope you had fun. Let me know which outfit was your favorite or which item stood out to you. I can't wait to hear. And of course, I picked all these pieces, so I like them all. And I'm really happy that they all fit. So I usually wait to try them all on with you. But I'm glad that they all fit because I did purchase all of these items online with the exception of these pants, but I didn't try them on in the store while I was there. So I'm glad that they all fit. I had fun with this though. I think these pieces were super fun. I'm very excited about the shoes. As I mentioned, they do come, I know, in a tan color. So if you are not into the pink, keep in mind that they do have other colors. And I will put the price for those, as I mentioned, down below for you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I loved hanging out with you all and can't wait to read your comments. So if you did have fun, please hit that like before you go. Please hit that subscribe and hang out for the long haul so I can keep creating new content. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.